your toner shouldn't burn. Okay, your toners should not burn. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Davi. So today I'm bringing you guys an Amazon haul. So these products are mostly skincare products I purchased off of Amazon. So we're gonna get right into them, and I also purchased something else, but let's get right into the skincare first. Okay, so the first thing I got was I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the CeraVe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's the renewing cleanser, and this is good for like normal skin types. So yeah, so I needed a cleanser, and this also like it exfoliates as well, which is pretty nice because I needed some sort of like two-in-one. I'll probably buy like an exfoliator like later down the line, but yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got was the alcohol-free toner. Okay, so when I saw this, I was like, yes, please. Alcohol-free. The fact that this is alcohol-free is so good because I know toner, you don't want something to like dry off your face and stuff like that. So I got an one that was alcohol free. So this one is by Neutrogena. It just tones and refreshes skin without stripping its natural texture. So that's really what I want. Just something that's just very subtle and not burning, because your toner shouldn't burn. Okay, your toners should not burn. Okay, so the next thing is treatment. I was literally searching Amazon up and down and researching on what, serums are good for like skin. And when I say skin, I mean like my skin, black melanin skin. So I saw this right here, and it has vitamin C. I don't know if I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, you guys, but yeah. So this it's a vitamin C serum, and it has a bunch of like benefits it has to it. So on the back it says your skincare routine that you should cleanse, tone, treat with this, and moisturize and then protect. Yeah, so this has so much benefits, you guys. It has some, I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, okay, so it has so much benefits. Like it helps with anti-aging, it helps with high pigmentation, it helps with like dark spots, blemishes. It helps with all of that. So I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to use it for like 2 weeks, and then I will probably come back on camera and tell you guys how it was and if it's worth it or would I recommend it. Okay, so the next thing I got were these light moisturizers. I am going on a trip, so I thought to just buy like travel size ones instead of like the big ones. I'm just gonna pop one in my bag because like they're just little, like they're coming like 4. So so they're just light moisturizers. So I would put this night, day, evening, it really doesn't matter. I got some cotton round pads, whatever. I think then I got some Neutrogena makeup wipes. Now I live by makeup wipes, you guys. I live by makeup wipes. Okay, so lastly, for skin and stuff, I saw this on Amazon, you guys. If you guys know Shalom Black, I think that's her name. She's on YouTube, and she's also a part of the collaboration on this product. this was literally meant for like melanin. Like they chose like 3 black people. I think one is Shalom Black. Another one, I think, I'm not sure what she does. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen because I don't want to get it wrong. So both all collaborated. They came out with this Illuminate Shimmering Body Oil. So I want to try it. So this is my hand without the oil. Safety thingy. So that's good. Ooh, okay. So this is the product. So we're just going. Okay. It smells. Oh my gosh, that smells fabulous. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little Amazon haul. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. You are the one who took my place.